Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate software deployment with GitHub Actions, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate software deployment with GitHub Actions, start by navigating to your GitHub repository. Ensure you have the necessary codebase ready for deployment. Click on the Actions tab located at the top of your repository page. If it's your first time using GitHub Actions, you may see a prompt to set up a workflow. Select the appropriate template that matches your project needs, or start from scratch. Create a new file by clicking on New Workflow. Name the file .github/workflows/deploy.yml to specify the location for your workflow file. Begin your YAML file by specifying the version of the workflow using name, deploy workflow. Set the triggering event for your workflow by adding on, push to deploy on each push. Specify which branches should trigger the deployment by including branches, main. Next, define the jobs that will run during the deployment by adding jobs, and then deploy. Indicate the type of environment by specifying runs on Ubuntu latest. To define the steps of the job, use steps to list each action you want to perform. Start with a step to check out your code by using the action name, checkout code followed by uses, actions/checkout at v2. Then, add a step to set up your environment, depending on the language or framework you are using. If you're deploying a Node.js application, for example, add name, setup Node.js followed by uses, action/setup Node at v2 and specify the Node.js version. Next, add a step to install dependencies, such as name, install dependencies and use run, npm install. After ensuring dependencies are installed, add a build step if necessary. For a Node.js application, this could be name, build application followed by run, npm run build. Now, it's time to add the step that handles the actual deployment. This could vary based on your hosting environment but typically involves a shell command or an action designed for deployment. For instance, if you're deploying to an AWS EC2 instance, you might add a step like name, deploy to AWS followed by commands to SSH into your server. Ensure you secure your credentials by using GitHub secrets to store sensitive information. Reference secrets in your workflow with syntax like $secrets.aws_access_key_id. After configuring your deployment step, it's a good practice to include a cleanup step or notification. Optionally, you can add a step to notify your team through Slack or email upon successful deployment. Finally, save your changes to the workflow file and push them to your repository. Observe the Actions tab for the status of your deployment process. Review the logs for any errors or confirmations to ensure the deployment was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.